TGIF, welcome to the Beamish Blogcast, June 10th, 2016. Although it looks and feels more like July 10th out there this morning, there is a chance of scattered thunderstorms this afternoon through the early evening hours. 93 your forecast high with a 40% chance of storms. That will decrease to 20% overnight. 73 your forecast low. As we've been talking about the last couple of days, the primary concern with thunderstorms during the afternoon and early evening hours will be the potential for a dust storm on I-10. For that reason, blowing dust advisory for the I-10 corridor between Tucson and Phoenix, and also I-8 in southern Maricopa County from 3 o'clock this afternoon till 7 o'clock this evening. A complicated forecast to say the least as we wrap up the work week here, because we woke up with a lot of cloud cover here across southern Arizona, starting to break up just a bit near the New Mexico state line as of 8 o'clock this morning. So that's some good news if the clouds continue to burn off through the morning hours and we see some sunshine. I think the atmosphere will be primed to get those scattered storms going. So here's our thunderstorm checklist for today. We have ample moisture in play, steering winds aloft strong enough to push these storms from the mountaintops into the valley floors. Only question, just how quick will the clouds burn off? If they linger into the early afternoon hours, our storm chances will decrease. I think the more likely scenario is that clouds burn off just approaching lunchtime around 10, 11 o'clock this morning, helping to develop storms into the mountaintops south and east of the metro, drifting to the west-northwest as the afternoon goes on. Prime time for scattered storms, 2 o'clock this afternoon through about 7, 8, even 9 o'clock tonight, and then activity decreases after that. Favored areas for scattered storms today will be along and east of a Gila Bend cells line. And some of the latest high-res models are putting some storms into Tucson a little earlier than 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's a trend we'll have to monitor on top of the cloud trend as well. 93 your forecast high is well below average for this time of year. We have a low pressure trough off the Baja California coast that's pumping in moisture from the south. That trough starts to sweep across the state this weekend. It'll decrease the thunder threat on your Saturday, a 20% chance of storms, and then drier air wins the rest of the forecast. By Sunday, gusty winds, mostly sunny skies. Monsoon 2016 officially begins on Wednesday. No huge shock here. It's going to be dry. It's going to be hot. 102 Wednesday afternoon. We'll be monitoring the blowing dust threat throughout the day, on air, online, and on your mobile device. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Twitter for storm updates throughout your Friday. Have a great weekend.